Already a market-leading, award-winning software RIP, Digital Factory version 11.1 takes the powerful tools and features you love about Digital Factory and makes it easier than ever to operate, streamlining your production. The next-gen UI puts the power to create at your fingertips with redesigned layouts, expanded options, workflow adjustments, customizable dark and light themes, and unlocks true shape nesting in the contour cutting module. The powerful new nesting feature, which uses advanced software algorithms to efficiently nest shapes. Create queue groups with a single click and add to these queues with new drag and drop functionality. A redesigned interactive job list offers better feedback at a glance. Scale the job list to your preference to keep track of your production. The print preview area is updated with new icons for some commonly used quick features, new enhanced tooltips, and reimagined controls for single page mode for fixed sheet medias. The all-new Smart Bar is now controlled with cards, new icons, streamlined layouts, and more visibility for the most used controls make cards the biggest change to the Smart Bar since it was introduced. This powerful update also adds true shape nesting to the contour cutting module. With true shape nesting, objects are nested based on the design or cut line, meaning hollow spaces or gaps can be filled, saving you more on material costs. All these elements are customizable, allowing you to drag and drop sections and scale them to your preferred layout. Get started with this powerful new update to Digital Factory today at cadling.com/digitalfactory.